that overwhelming feeling, so sad, the faces on TV. If I try to make a difference, would it help anyway? But then I stop and to myself I say, so you wanna change the world? What are you waiting for? They say you're gonna start right now. What are you waiting for? It only takes one voice, so come on now and shout it out. Give a little more. What are you waiting for? Oh yeah. Sometimes I feel a little helpless. Seems like I can't do a thing, but anything is possible. Just you wait and see. Good things happen.